Hi Big Tractor Power fans. In this video, you're going to have the opportunity to ride along in the cab of a John Deere S790 combine operated by my friend Matt. Matt is running with 5 of these big Class 9 John Deere combines running 45-foot wide McDon FD 145 headers. The combines are rated at 543 horsepower. They have a 400 bushel grain tank, a 28.5-foot unloading auger that unloads at 3.8 bushels per second. Matt and the other 4 Class 9 machines, which are the largest combines available from John Deere in model year 2019, are harvesting 11,000 acres of double crop soybeans. This second crop of soybeans was planted in June, directly after the winter wheat harvest. They grow over the summer and then they're harvested in the fall. Matt will take you along through the field and harvest so you can see what it's like to sit in the operator's seat of an S790 combine. He'll share some stories from the field and experiences, as well as show you some maintenance and service on the combine during a rainy day. And stay tuned all the way to the end of the video where Matt will take you through the final pass of Harvest 2019 out in the field, and he'll share how many acres this one John Deere S790 combine covered out of the 11,000 acres harvested, how many bushels it brought in, how many hours went on the combine, and how much fuel it consumed. So let's head out to the field so you can ride along and see Matt at work.
What's up, guys? Just finally getting back in the field. It's been about 2 weeks since we've been able to run. We had quite a bit of rain, then a couple dry days, followed by some more rain, so we've been out for a while. Yeah, just getting back at it. Hopefully we can knock it out. We got about 3,000 acres left or something like that. And we should get it this week if all the weather cooperates and whatnot. Just opening up my grain tank here. We're cool. Yeah, try to get some footage and stay tuned. We are still chewing on beans. It's I don't know how many weeks it's been, days, months, I don't even know at this point. It's we're about halfway done. We've had some rain here and there, kind of slowing us down, but we're doing what we can, trying to run a little later tonight. We got some more rain on the way, so you know, we need to get as much as we can cut before that happens, and hopefully we get back at it pretty soon. The guys got done planting wheat yesterday. They planted about 11,000 acres. So that's all on the ground and growing, and that's good. So we'll keep you posted on the bean harvest here and let you know how everything goes. Just finished up in this field here. It's about 600 acres. It's a big one. Right there on that map. It's that's about 600. We're actually headed across the road. There's another little field here. I say little, a little 200 acres across the road. This is actually the same farm that we were. I think there's a video of the last 100 acres we harvested that was in corn, and I was talking about the rest of this farm was in beans. This is that farm. That 100 acres of corn is kind of out in front of me a little ways out over that hill there, but yeah, it's about 800 acres in beans and 100 acres was in corn, so a total of about 900 right here. And we started on this 2 weeks ago and got rained out, and we haven't been able to get back in the field till today, so trying to get it done and on to the next one. We got about 3,000 left total, and that'll be it for harvest for the year. And then I can play around in the shop all winter, working on stuff, the fun stuff. So, funny story, there's a mailbox right here in the field that's it's actually marking a sinkhole it fell in right there, a little hole. But anyway, it's a mailbox that has a Christmas bow on it. Anyway, funny story behind that. The cedars were coming up here to plant wheat, I think last year or 2 years ago maybe. Anyway, one of them was folding out here in the field, and a mailbox fell out of the cedar. So they just used it to mark the sinkhole. And then we went back and found the location where the mailbox was supposed to be and replaced it with a new one. So now we have a fancy sinkhole marker in the shape of a mailbox. It works. So we got rained out 2 days ago, and we got about 800 acres of beans left. About a good day we'll have her done, but just doing a little shop work today. I had a hole in my draper belt on the header. As you can see right here, this is the piece I cut out. Had a nice hole in it from a rock. So you can get this splice kit, which you just cut out a section of belt and put in a new section with these metal clamps to hold the belt together. So hole's fixed, just button everything back up, and we play the waiting game. Hopefully it'll dry out here in a couple days and we can get back at it and get her done. So with the little bit of rain, we actually got a little break in the dust factor. I actually have a view of the header. It's pretty nice. Or as you look out the back, it doesn't look like that, but it's all right. Another day closer to being finished. We're almost done with all the far away fields. Then we got some closer to home that are smaller fields, 100 acres or so, and we'll get those knocked out. It's supposed to rain in a couple days. Hopefully we'll be done before that, but if not, maybe another delay before we finish. So we'll see. Taking out a perfect 45-foot pass. right along today. It's nice and dry. Sun's out. Running about 5 to 5.5 miles an hour, and we don't get to do that very often. It's a nice day. All right, last pass of beans for 2019. Here we go. This is it. Look at our totals for the season. Let's see, I've done a total of 2,507 acres of beans, about a 19 acres an hour average. We had a 42.4 dry yield average. Total weight 6,378,000 pounds, and still counting. 3,600 exactly gallons of fuel, about 1.5 gallons to the acre, about 200 engine hours, 146 separator. Not bad for the bean harvest. So this is it for the year right here, the last pass. Harvest is officially over for the year. Just got back to the yard, driving around the grain bins, gonna put her in the barn. We'll take them out one at a time, give them a bath, and put them away for the winter.
I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time with Matt out in the John Deere S790 combine during the last days of the 2019 double crop soybean harvest in western Kentucky. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comments section below, as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.